Now, large crowds have gathered at Uttar Pradesh's Muzaffarnagar for the Mahapanchayat called by the Bharatiya Kisan Union. Tiket's brother Naresh Tiket, the chief of the BKU, who had earlier agreed to clear out the Ghazipur site, announced the Mahapanchayat to decide the future course of action. He's now expected to make a big announcement today. The meet is currently underway. Heavy security has been deployed in the region. The Bijnor district border has been sealed due to the protest. AAP's Sanjay Singh and RLD's Jayant Chaudhary will be joining in the Farmers' Panchayat. Here are visuals coming in of the Mahapanchayat. Milind Sharma joining us live from Muzaffarnagar. Milind, Mahapanchayat has been underway. Farmers now being consulted as to the future course of action. What next for the farmers? Are we looking at an announcement from the farmers over this continued stir for over 2 months? Now with the Republic Day violence, what have the farmers decided? Any word that's coming from your internal sources?
Well, at this point in Muzaffarnagar, there is a sea of farmer unions and their supporters who have gathered here. If I could just ask Pradeep Gupta to pan the camera around and show you this ground that was chosen for this meeting has a capacity of more than 10 to 20,000 people who have gathered, and there isn't even an inch to move in the entire area. These are farmer unions and supporters, not just from within Muzaffarnagar, but also from districts of Shamli, Bijnor, as well as Saharanpur and other western UP areas where Muzaffarnagar is known as the center for farmers. And here on the stage right behind me, there are farmer union leaders who have been speaking, with the Naresh Tiket also taking the stage in some time. And what we hear from them right now is that they are gathering support for Rakesh Tiket, who made a very passionate appeal for the farmer unions in UP to gather and come to the Ghazipur border. Remember, Rakesh Tiket is now facing FIRs against him after the 26th January violence that took place at Red Fort. And the union leaders here say that he was wrongly framed, apart from the fact that the perpetrators, which police is also keeping a close eye on, such as Deep Sidhu and Lakha Singh Sidhana, Rakesh Tiket and other leaders like Dr. Darshan Pal had nothing to do with the violence. That is the claim of the farmer union leaders. But we have seen videos where Rakesh Tiket was also seen calling this crowd and these people to the Ghazipur border. And right after he made that passionate appeal where he broke down in front of the cameras and the media, there has been a sea of emotion all across Uttar Pradesh, especially western Uttar Pradesh. And you can see behind me as the crowd is patiently listening to their leaders over here. There's a clear sense that we could see more people coming forward to the Ghazipur border, and the protest has just received a new and fresh perspective from the farmer unions.
Well, it really appears Rakesh Tiket crying away just last evening after allegations that he may have agitated and in fact instigated those protesters to turn violent. Now we're looking at a larger crowd with Naresh Tiket, Rakesh Tiket's brother, now addressing the Mahapanchayat. In a little while from now, we're tracking this Mahapanchayat developments. Possibly a big announcement will be coming in from the farmers. We're going to slip into a short break. We're going to continue tracking all that and more. The violence that ensued at the Singhu border as well. Do stay tuned.